In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get the Lindon55 stand in Please Donate in Roblox. This is going to be a fun one, so make sure that you watch this video until the very end to also prevent any mistakes in the process. So to begin, you're going to leave Please Donate's experience. You're going to X out and search Lindon. Once you search Lindon, you're going to click on Lindon's library of games and join up. Once it loads, you're going to look around in this library of games and find a green switch that is on the wall. It takes a little bit to find sometimes, but you will find it. It'll actually be behind a cabinet shelf that is a little bit away from the wall. You're going to click the switch, and once that happens, you'll see a new world that is opening up. Unfortunately, that is not right next to you, but all you have to do is go to the wall that we saw earlier and go into the new world. You'll be teleported in just a second with all of the cinematic effects and walk towards the tower thing that kind of looks like, and you will see this. Click it, and then when it opens up, click teleport. Once you actually teleport, you will be free to actually leave the experience. Just wait until this circle gets away from you, and then you'll be able to leave. After you leave the game, 1 second, you'll be able to open up Please Donate once again. So go back to Please Donate, join the Please Donate game, and you will be able to find a brand new stand once you claim one. Once it loads up, as usual, find a stand that is unclaimed. Unfortunately, there are quite a bit that are not unclaimed, but once you find one, claim it, and once again, click Edit. Click on the settings, use your toggle button, and you will find the Lindon55 stand. That's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.